Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make a little display chair. You see these pieces are already out. I had to go through the Jenga blocks, is the little tower game. I went through all the boxes. I actually bought 5, but I ended up only using 3, I think. I opened up all the boxes though because with those blocks, I learned from previous projects that they don't line up well, and some of them are like bigger than others. Some of them are cracked, some of them are messed up on the edges. So I went through every single box and I took out all the pieces that actually went together and fit perfectly. So I'm gonna use all of those pieces to glue them together, and then I put all the pieces that I want together to make the chair. Now, when I started putting these pieces together, I realized that I'm probably gonna switch some things around because I came up with another idea. But for now, I just wanted to explain why these were like this, because if you don't pick out your pieces first and line them up the way you need them, there's some are gonna come out uneven. You're gonna have a bunch of gaps. So I just went through and took out all the ones that I needed first, and now I'm gonna start putting the chair together. So stay tuned, guys.